there's a schedule, you should stick to the schedule. Okay, 15 seconds. Hello, my name is Kristof Mertens. I'm a managing director and co-founder of Porphyrio. We are a spin-off of the University of Leuven of bioscience engineering. I'm here to talk about the most important thing in your life. No, it's not your iPhone. It's not your iPad. It's about food. It's about food production. We are involved in food production more on the life side. How many people here still know where their food comes from? If you say milk comes from Denaldi, that's not correct. People don't know where their food comes from. Livestock proteins come from animals. Animals like the cows, the pigs, and the poultry that produce all the things that we find every day at a very cheap and a high quality price in the stores. There was a small revolution into that. My grandfather had dairy cows, 50 dairy cows, and he made a good living, as was his cousin and his nephew with the pigs and the chickens. He had 50 cows, knew them all by name. If my grandfather had to do farming today, it would look like this. It's capital intensive, it's commodity product, high volumes, it's high risk. It's a hell of a job, and it needs a good entrepreneur to make a good business out of that. Luckily, a lot of automation has been developed in the last 10, 15 years, helping people to manage all these animals, to be able to automate the feeding behavior, the drinking behavior. How much milk does a cow give? How much eggs does a chicken lay? With this automation comes sensor. With sensor comes data. And a manager today is overruled with data, so he needs help. That's why we, Porphyrio, come in. So what we try to do is we use the big data analytics, we use process control, process monitoring, modeling to have the animals talk to the farmer through the data. Tell him when is something going wrong. Because of this automation, there's very few contact between the farmer and his animals. We have the expertise of knowing the animals from a physiological point of view. We have the big data, the biostatistics in our team, and we use the big data ICT today to bring the solution to the customer. So this is where our solution is built on. Collecting data, first you need data, quality check, analyze it, and then provide feedback to a dashboard. The basis of our methodology, which started, we worked out in 2004, is that each production unit is considered unique. There's no two chickens the same. There's no two cows the same. There's no two humans the same, by the way. So we use that information, model the behavior of a certain flock, of a certain cow, and then predict what it should do afterwards. If it's not doing that, we give alarm. This is just a glance at our dashboard. This is what we provide the modern farm managers. So our ambition is to do this worldwide in every sector. Today we're very active in the poultry sector with the egg production, lay inside, broiler inside. We deliberately chose this marketing term, inside. That's what we want to provide. Why should you guys join in this sector? Because we have a big problem. In 2050 we got 9 billion people which we have to feed. So 100% of the feed that is available today should come extra. And we need technology to do that. Is this relevant? Yes. All the big companies, I just named some, they are all involved in investments in getting into this paradigm, producing food, good quality for all the world. And believe me, these are nice pictures. In Holland you got a program for hugging cows, but this is not a way that we will get there. We need mass efficiency of production, and technology, data insights is part of that. This is just as an example and a concept that is worked out in Holland, where you got pig flats near to the harbor. Pigs can be slaughtered and put on the boats directly to China, to where it should be exported. Very efficient. This is another concept at the sea. Inside the tower there's animals, outside there's plants. The manure of the animals drops in the sea. There are fishes. The fishes eat the manure. And we got a lot of ways to produce proteins efficiently. I want to leave you guys with a more philosophical reasoning. What we talk about every day is animals, and we think, what was first, the chicken or the egg? Do you guys know? Nobody? The rooster came first, of course. Thank you.